Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to change the language back to English or change it to a different language on your PlayStation 4. So on the home screen here, let's go up to the top bar and then scroll all the way over to where it says Settings right here. And it will look just like this icon. Select it. Now, under here, we want to scroll on down and we want to look specifically at the icon. It's going to have a A symbol in it. So it's going to be a book with an A on it. And this will be language. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4 up from the bottom. So let's select the language. Now under here, let's go to System Language, the top option. It should say English for me. Then we can scroll through here, and here are all the different languages we can change it to. So we can choose the language under here. Then also, we want to go down to where it says the input languages. So this will be right under System Languages. And then we go to Keyboards and Users Dictionary and go to here, and we can change the keyboard language. So do that for both options, and you might have to change the language in your specific game as well. So in like Call of Duty, Rocket League, Overwatch, change the language for that game too. So this is how you change the language on your PlayStation 4. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.